Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a Dollar Tree shop with me. I heard that all their Easter, cleaning, and spring items are out already for this year. I'm so excited to see what they have. Let's go check it out, you guys. You guys, the Dollar Tree has all their Easter stuff out and there's so many options here. They have these really cute little Easter egg trays and you guys can put your little eggs here once you're done coloring them. Super cute. They also have their Easter towels out right now and these are super cute. And they have little Easter ears here and they have a pink one, a yellow one, and a blue one. And of course they have the little tail. These Easter eggs are so darling. They're so adorable. You guys can make a lot of DIYs with these little Easter eggs. I'm definitely going to take some with me. And I love these little Easter baskets. These are so cute. These are type of Easter baskets that you guys will find like at Pottery Barn or at Target or even at Hobby Lobby. And I always get the kids' Easter stuff from here at the Dollar Tree. They have so many things to pick from, you guys. They have so many different types of Easter eggs here, you guys, and I get all my Easter eggs here from the Dollar Tree. They have this large pack of 18 right over here, and they have smaller packs which have a little bit more decor in it, or it's a little bit shinier. This was the 6-pack over here. I have this really pretty one with designs on it. This is the 12-piece. And they just have so many Easter eggs, you guys. These ones are really pretty, and this is an 8-pack. They also have these cute little clear Easter eggs and some little bunnies. These are some carrots. And these are some little checks. And they also have these pretty metallic ones, and this is 6 per pack. They're pretty big. And they have these little dinosaur ones with little dots on it and little spikes. And those are 4 to a pack. And then of course they have a lot of little Easter baskets here. These sparkly ones are some of my favorite ones, and they're 10 to a pack. Their baskets down here. And they also have all of their Easter wall decor and home decor stuff out as well. This one's one of my favorites. I think this is so pretty. And they also have a pink one. This one's also one of my favorites. All bunnies welcome. Super cute. And this one here says Happy Easter. And I actually got this last year. This is one of my favorites as well. And this is welcome. These cute little bunnies. This one's also really pretty as well, and I love this one as well too. I think these are new, but I don't remember seeing this last year. They have this little cute little Easter garden stakes, perfect to put in your little garden. They also have these cute little gel stickers that you can put on your windows.
What's the drink? What's the drink, buddy?
They also have a ton of little egg picks here too that you guys can use for DIY projects. You have these little mini ones. And you also have these little foam eggs as well that you can hang from little branches. And they have some more garden stuff out already. They have the cute little succulents that they always come out every year, and these are all just $1 each. They have these little cactuses, and they also have these cute little succulent picks as well. They also have these cute little mushroom figurines, and these are so cute. They come in a gold one and a silver one. And these are the new spring colors for their organizational bins, and I think these are so pretty. They have such a cute pattern to them. You guys can see the pattern on these. They're so gorgeous. And these make perfect for pantry organization or refrigerator organization, or even your bathroom organization and all stuff. This teal color is one of my favorite colors. I think this is so pretty. And just look at that pattern, you guys. And you guys can stack these up too. It looks like these are pretty much picked over. They're not a lot left over here. They also have this really pretty gray color. It's really nice. And they also have this really pretty navy blue color as well. The Dollar Tree also has a ton of Easter candy here. They have these cute Easter Micah Nights, M&Ms. I know the kids are going to want these. Lifesaver gummies, Warhead Chewy bunnies, and they have a ton of chocolate. They even have Paw Patrol gummies. And then they have these little bubble gums shaped in little eggs. This is super cute. They have Krabby Patty gummy candies. Reese's eggs. They even have eggs already filled with candy in it, and this is 4 to a pack. They also have these new soup mugs that go with the new organizational colors for the spring collection this year. And they have their peach butters color and the pink color. And this is what they look like. They also have these snack containers as well, and they have the flip top. And there's 2 to a pack. And they also have this type of snack container as well, and there's also 2 to a pack, and these are the lock top. They have some for sandwiches as well. These Easter flowers are so cute, and if you guys put them together in a little clear vase, it looks so nice. These are actually new. I haven't seen these before, and they are so pretty. Perfect for spring. And these lavender flowers are so beautiful. Look how pretty they look together. hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me today, and I can't wait to start putting the kids' Easter baskets together. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, definitely hit that little subscribe button. You guys will get notified every single time I put up a new video, and it's completely free. And if you guys enjoy this video, definitely leave it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.